fully active and you know up on the app. One coloring book I represent for Wrld TV. Just want to big up our fans, you know. Tiffany in Canada from Jamaica. One thing, you know, Jamaica people all about, you know. You see me? Because them I try hustle, I try to better them life. But anyhow, you see a movie here, welcome back to a brand new movie. And a movie named Trying Stepfather. First, I big up the Stepfather them who try to do them best and I play the role. You get what I say? So here, just watch a movie. I don't to talk about it. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to make a friend, tell a friend. And big up the poor people them who in your movie. Alia, Chelsea, Tibi, Popidan, myself, coloring book. And you see fans them, thank Uno for always support we over the year. One coloring book represent for Wrld TV. Big up all of my fans them. Room.
Every day I think about you. Not one day I go by home and I think about you. I see that today memorial. I think I go by cemetery today, you know. But I need to move on. I feel it's a time for me to move on. I hold out for 3.5 years now. I've been trying to relationship and then nobody can replace you, but I have to live for my life. Papi!
Yes, mommy.
Come here. You don't go by cemetery. How we can stay there? I pass the place with me now.
No, mommy. I'm really sorry. I know nothing about that, mommy. I don't pass my place. I just show something about my father and show me just wake up in a grievance and show you know. Today I have 5 years since he passed. Sorry about that, mommy. I don't pass my place. So that just the grievance show me in.
But today your father memorial.
Up there, me about to go get me that get ready.
Me know if your uncle up from early this morning.
Father God, why? Why, Father God? All of my friends now for them, Father.
Puppy.
Why me can't have my father? Even the girl who me talk to, they have their father. I mean, alone now, no father.
Puppies. Puppy, sit on
If
your
you hear me, I feel go through this.
Sit on your
Now
puppy.
I can go up the son down and look for my father. Girl.
Sit on your son, calm down, brother. Puppy. I'm 5 years now, I know say hurt see me, but you have to give a wall of yourself, man. I know you love your father, you know. Me love your father as well. Nothing now gonna change that.
Mommy, this morning grandma called me from over for season. Wake me up early out of my bed and I cry. And I say, son, and there. You know when I come down for come spend birthday with his son. He said, I'm going to send the money for me and my uncle buy a champagne and just toast to him last. It's my father. Grandma Evla tell me, say, you know what, I buy no bike. Because grandma didn't even know say I buy a bike. I hide it from grandma, here, she here. They even crash grandma and once I crash out of there, I jump off my bike.
Why?
Grandma said, do I fuck with at the bike, take my father life. You know what, I buy no bike at all.
I don't want to see upon the need, and you all, even though I don't want to see upon the big man, all thing me can do a pray. I can't tell if me can't control your life. Pray, me can't pray. That's why Father day me I tell us to go get the bike license. Because Rumbelly and Titus are going bad on the road. And by the end of the day, we can't see nothing because them a do their job.
Mommy.
And then job them a do, you know.
Just because I not get the money I said for license, mommy. But grandma said she go send me a money for license.
In the meanwhile, when I get it for license, put on the bike. Me no want to see a panic. Me no want go get one car one day like when me get the car with the father. Me no want that, you know.
Mommy, I understand what you say. But I'm going to just give my father a visit. I'll visit him grave and talk to him for a little while.
Yeah, but me can't manage it. Me avoid me can't come up. For 5 years now, I still can't manage it. Can't manage it, man.
So come here, mommy.
What are they? You know, so for another day, I want to talk to you about something.
Mommy, can I talk to you when I come back, please?
Alright, my son. When you come back, I talk to you. Love you here. And be careful on the road, puppy.
I will.
Rumble in a ramp, you know.
Yes, mommy. I'll put on my helmet.
Hey, man. Careful, please. You love your uncle for me.
Alright, mommy. Mommy, we'll get through this, you know. Just time, man. Love you here.
Love you, my son. You know, man. My son. I did coloring book for a couple months good now, you know? And I was a really good man. And told her somebody me date never work out because of my son and how he behave. I don't know how me go to him. I have to tell him. And coloring book a good man can say I want to try stepfather.
Jaja, you would.
Boy, my brother Caris, when you're gone, things are not the same again, bro. I miss you though, bro. Swear me miss you, bro. 5 years now since you're gone. And it come like a 10 year. I swear, bro. Swear upon my life, I miss you, bro. When you're gone, bro, things come like, I know the same like one time.
Uncle, how go on?
Talk to my brother.
You know what if I tell you the truth? Around here yard me I come from. So me did want me to come up here so come give daddy a check, but from me not see around there, I know say half year say there because you always come up here when I memorial, because you know today make 5 years since daddy passed away.
Glad you remember.
Uncle, me not tell a lie now. It's like I can't live without this.
Feeling me never.
Every day I get up, it's like I feel shed tears because I know someone that say daddy every day. At 5 years now, daddy missing out of my life. I don't feel good none at all.
No, your pain me never.
Before me even left school and me I go to school, I can't concentrate on work. I always sit down and out of space.
Feel it.
Daddy, I love you. And I promise I'm going to make you proud. One Caris, big up yourself. I want to tell you the truth. I always want mommy come up here door, but mommy can't manage me. Mommy heart not so strong. It tear her out inside.
Yo, your mother hold out long still, you know. Much years. Your mother holy, bro. Your mother holy, brother. Is a strong lady.
Right now, if I tell you the truth, she try to move on with her life, you know. And
Bro, she would
I'm
have
so pleased about it still.
She would have moved on a long time, bro. If she did interested, bro. She's still depressed and stressed, bro. Why? Alright, people, Caris.
You know, so this morning, grandma called me. And grandma called me. And said, Sita, in the time, in the come down for his son's birthday, which is my father, to celebrate birthday. And she a cry on the phone this morning. And I say, grandma, that's holy. That's holy. So I'm going to send money. But we can buy a drink and drink me and you and something.
Why? I love you drinking, brother, because right now, I hear so for the whole vibes, bro. To the Caris Memorial Day, you know. If you have a drink with him in spirit, bro, if you're there.
Yo, you know, say, all right now, youth. Daddy should there, you know, uncle. Because I not nobody at all to talk to. I not nobody to sit down and talk to. Daddy pass away. All that the man do lick daddy off on bike and take my father life from me. I not no father in my life. And then people they tell me say calm and real. All know me can't say nothing happen to that there's somebody there. Sometimes I feel like take it to another level and I miss my father out of my life, you know.
No, me never. No do that. Leave it in God's hands. God will deal with it. You don't need to do that, me never.
Uncle,
you want to end up at jail.
Uncle, a 2 relationship my mother passed you. And just because the sake of me, none of them no work out. I know see mommy I talk to somebody else right now, me didn't even get to meet yet. I need a father in my life, I miss my father.
Me never. Me know say you miss your father. But you don't think so I miss my brother too.
No, uncle.
Me never. I don't really love watch man in a but take time with the balling cause your father, which is my brother, never so good looking. And you're worse with the balling. If you ever know you look, me never. But take time with the balling, man. But you see your mother now, you have to think about fear, happiness, me never. You can't only think about your happiness alone. I want to my happiness too. If you the pray to take back revenge, bro, you have to think about me, your mother, and your rest of family them, bro. Just me never just hold it, man. I got on time.
Understand what you're saying, uncle. Understand what you're saying, but the thing is, I can't bother the stepfather business. And my father I want in my life all the way there. I can't bother with them the thing there.
Me nephew, you know say your father no there, which is my brother, me nephew. You have to learn to give people a chance in your life, me nephew. Some stepfather bad, some good. You have to give people chance, cause some of them are trying stepfather, me nephew. Just take heed and listen to what me I say as an uncle to a nephew. Me I come go up a yard. So big up yourself. We will link up.
Daddy, really miss you. I have to tell you the truth. It's like every man and mommy come there with me know me a problem because I can't accept them in my life as a stepfather. I just need you in a picture, Daddy, but you're not there, none at all. But I go always make you proud. Mommy no want to see me on the bike, none at all, you know. But I buy since recently, you know. Because I see him bike thing making a day right now. But Daddy, I go watch the road and be careful, although you can't be too careful, but I go be careful. As I say, I go always make you proud, Daddy. Rest in peace. Happy earth, strong in heaven.
Me call her. No. Tell me go check her. You know, so I think he might tell me what he said today. Today my baby father will pass away memorial. And I think he said his son I will go up at the graveside go show him respect. So I know so maybe he feel away now. So by the time I will link him and talk to him. And plus he might tell me say he want to explain and tell his son.
Brother.
Eh?
Morning.
What happened, sister?
Why you look so dull this morning?
I just want to look something about me, man. You know, kind of just stress me out and something.
No bother you.
You remember the girl I tell you something I talk with me really care about, Alia?
Yeah.
You know we had date a couple months now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a talk for me and her talk about married and them thing there.
Don't so long I date my brother that say I think about marriage already.
I want a nice girl, you know. And you know why I know say she's a nice girl. He have a baby father who passed away, Caris.
Okay.
Alright, rest in peace.
Yes,
and
man.
plus a 2 date she got through after 3.5 years. And he never work out because he have a son. He have a son maybe 19, 18 or 20.
A big boy.
I think him said the youth name Puppy. Puppy than he said the youth name.
Okay.
But he must say what make the relationship will work out the 2 date them because the stepfather them not willing to try with the youth because the youth losing father. You know some youth grow up without a father, so the youth them stress out. Remember say most of them are youth who don't grow up without a father or they don't have a mother in their life, they're stray. So you kinda stray.
Yeah, because they don't have nobody to curve them.
Thank you.
And they don't have nobody to talk to. They don't have nobody to show them love sometimes. So when them are hurt, they don't even talk about it.
So the point where I try to make a know, Mrs. Me and Ali talk and he must say he want tell the youth.
Yes.
Say me and him a date for quiet this while and cause look here. She hold out how long you know.
That's true. No, only
no,
time that true.
no woman nah drop out and a man hold out so long, you know. No man nah drop out and a woman hold out so long. Say I feel be a good man.
Yeah.
So he must say now tell the youth come back from their father. Cause I'm gonna check his father up at a grave side to show respect.
Why? With all the respect, me not think you might take it so easy, you know, my brother. But me I ask you for do this to me. Just be a trying stepfather. Me know say go hard. And it don't come down to nitty-gritty way. You have to get serious and turn up on your foot. Because a big boy and a little pity.
Big man for chewing on my system for tell you the truth.
Now I'm going to just accept your son, my brother.
I'm not going to try to be a stepfather in the youth life, you know. I rather want to have a bond, a relationship, or a friendship with him. I'm not going to try to fill in my father's space because I cannot do that. All if I could do it, I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
I just want to have a relationship, a bond with him.
You can try your best to talk to him and reach out.
Thank you.
Yes, my brother.
So I just that worry me. So I just glad you talk to me.
You can do it, man.
Yes,
I know you can do it. Because I say you care for her, you know.
Really
Sister, you care for her.
You
So
understand?
if you go mention even marriage, I know say you gone to one place at one party, serious.
Sis.
So I just the little you now for get him involved where you can get to know you, really you. You understand that you can get to know him and he can sit down and reason with you and show you some respect as a stepfather. You will get that from you because I know you will give him that and from you show him respect, you will get respect.
What do you think? It's going to work out?
I know it will work out. I know you can do this. It go hard, but with you as a man turn up in a middle, sit down in a relationship with the mother, it will work.
You know what me and your mother talk about too? Like my mother show me everything, you know. You know, so I want bike accident the youth reach in father, youth father end up in you know.
Judge God no.
Until today the person what them say, it's alleged person what them say, unalive. In father in the accident, nobody no come forward or they no catch nobody. So you kinda worry the youth and worry the mother, and plus the mother no likes the youth on the bike or the youth by a bike. I mean, your mother tell him on the phone if you got license and insure the bike. So you worry your mother now say the same situation where meet by the father, you know, and the son end up in that situation.
You want me you for do for me. You don't really have to tell her, so you go reason with him on a level about the bike. When time you him get a chance to reason, one-on-one and try to catch up with one another, get to know him personality and get to know him. Get to know what hurt him the most and say if you can try to help him fix it. And just convince him to go easy on the bike. And he done bite already and he done ride already.
To be honest, listen all the way I say, but me have to try to build a band before me can tell him all of them there. You want to come like you have to get to know a lady before you tell him say you
don't hit me and tell him,
so
my brother.
So me just try to build a band first.
Yes man, you can do it, my brother, you can do it.
Me I will leave you now, because I go over, I go check him.
Yeah.
And you know, show look respect and maybe stress out and everything.
Yeah.
And just you're not telling me what you say you want to meet her, you know, but I'll make you meet her quite soon.
Time
and
on God,
sister,
man.
she's a nice person.
Time on
Can
God.
me tell her about you, you know.
Yes man.
Alright, love you, my sister.
Yeah man, you better hold them man.
Yeah,
You believe in you man, I
Love
just
you,
know
yeah.
this. You see?
Yeah man.
You love the woman, you go get your love in your son. Just need somebody where you can trust. You understand?
I
Girls
understand.
they deal with things different from boy pitney.
pitney, I
Boy
understand.
pitney kind of more reserved sometimes and then think deep and then take everything serious sometimes.
I understand.
When I hurt, you know, go lash out like a girl pitney, but if he can
keep
trust
it
you,
inside, I'll keep it inside and I will kill him.
if he can trust you, my brother, he will talk to you about it.
Alright, brother God and thanks.
Better talk to you about
sis, whenever I really get this straight up in my room, because I'm kind of worried and nervous. So.
Make deal with the fear,
Alright,
brother.
thanks.
Don't worry yourself. Man.
Soon come here.
There for you.
Yeah, man. Love you. Hear me, sis?
I'm great, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you, my sister. You mean a lot to me.
Well, my brother, my sister, you care for that woman there, you know. A long time, I see my brother go out to one woman and he talk so passionate and so genuine about her. You know me, I'll get to meet her one day. Just hope he get through to that youth still before I told it and reason with him like a man. You know?
Hello? Alia?
Yeah?
Can I forward coloring book?
Yeah, man. Come, man.
I'll go on.
Uh-uh.
I wonder for the brightest smile is from morning, if for the first one.
Of course.
There, man. Miss you, I just say I come check you and talk to you.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
glad
the
that's
sweet
what
part.
yeah, that me I gotta do. No, man.
No, man.
Come now.
Sit down, please.
Jesus, please.
Sit down. So what happened?
Me there, me tell you, say you don't have to do that someday, no, man.
No, man, me not have to do it, but me I do it.
I did me there, you know, today, you know.
You know, like, me not really, yeah, sit down in a settee. You sit down on bed. So I pray.
Okay.
You know, so to be honest, me kind of worry. If you come over here this morning, you know, me just up on the veranda thing to myself. But I'm not really scared, and I just worry. If you know, say, yo, to that the moment when I tell him about, where it kind of bother you, you and your son, every year, if you know, say, yo, every year when you reach to them at time, I stress out you, and I stress out your son. And I think, me get up and remember, say, you know, tell me, say, your son, I will go up at the cemetery, but show him father respect and something. So I say, you know, I can show me respect and talk to you. Keep up, look at your time, and not make you stress too hard and something.
God up there, me have to try. You know, cope him this morning, get vexed and I say, friend, they have their father and he want
Yo,
a 5 year now, you know, and he come like a yesterday.
I will say something to you, babes. Me don't know, me never lose a son or my father, but me lose a mother. Basically, as me tell you, me and my sister live. Because me lose a mother. You see me? And me know I feel. You see me? Although me a big man, me understand, but your son is young.
Me know, man.
And it happen from he young, so he not go to cope with that. So sometimes when I see him go right, and I left him figure, you have to just try take it easy and explain and tell him, so I left him figure not right. So I kind of understand where I go through.
I understand where I go through, man, but it just hurt me.
So you never tell him?
No, me tell him
Never explain and tell him say me a date and
I explain to him. Say I want to talk to you about something, but through him I want to go there, so he said when he come back. So I wait for him to come back and then we talk and
well, me understand that, but after him cool long and everything, I feel like at the time if you tell him no, cause
no, me I tell him today.
yeah.
This I go on for months now. You need to understand and say me want to live my own life too.
Well, as me say, no disrespect me and my sister and I raise about, because my sister say the way me talk about you and them thing there, I can really see say me love you, me really care about you. You get what me I say? So he must show me say boy, he want to meet you someday, because he just want to know the lady will make him brother always a blush and a talk about him like that. So I tell him so just time and God, man. First, I just want to forget me and you and your son. To be honest, as I talk about your son, me know me talk about this already, but me not really want to play a role like as a stepfather or a father in your son's life, because me cannot be a father. Nobody cannot replace a father.
Can't replace
The most
father.
I want for me and him to just have a bond,
Yes.
a relationship. From you have a bond and a relationship, things can work out. So I just that me I try to work on. You get what me I say? I'm willing, no care what, no matter what. I'm willing to make it try. Not because I'm me or you, but we know say yo, me you cannot talk a date, and me can know say him can pass me morning, evening, and him show me respect, and me show him respect. I never feel more comfortable in the relationship. You see me, if you come here and if you leave. So, you know, that are the main thing we want to go after. Not to be a man in his life, to be a stepfather, or to be for teaming in. No, we just want to have a band, just that. I'm willing to try and do everything. So I just want to make you know, say, hello, you go to your stress and you're not telling me, me got you.
I tell him, because I told somebody me try date before, you know, and to him be here.
I don't really know the two person, man.
Never.
I'm not really interested to know, but
No, me just try show you how you
no,
behave.
babe, me sorry. Me not really mean like that. Me sorry. Me no mean it that way. But me mean you see sometime when I try to catch a cow, like, you know, you have to tame it in first. And maybe the person when you try to date, them never have a patient. You get what me I say? Them never have a patient spend with your youth.
Spend time with him.
Spend time with him. So show them couldn't wait, you know, them just cut.
Yeah,
Not say them not care, you know.
No, them they not care. As my son start throw a little tantrum, them fly gone. Gone. Tell me how they can bother with this and wah. So me just pinpoint them and say, yeah, I know good somebody them. If they really want me and my son they would.
You what me I say? Remember me I talk from what you know. I really want to marry you in my life, you know.
No.
I really want to marry you. You get what me I say? I feel like time joy, you know. Just that me I tell us still. Come care about you and everything.
Man,
care
my
about
father
you, see me?
house.
No, you know, but as me say, just give me a little bit time.
Mommy, how which man this in a daddy house? How him?
Hey boy, I pass a place with me, but which man that the house is?
Me nah pass the place, man,
What
but
you
me
mean
just
by
ask a question.
if I see somebody and I must mean come to?
Afternoon.
Yeah man, coloring book man. Heard a lot about your puppy then.
Big up.
How are you now, manners now? How are Papi, me need to talk to you. Me need to talk to you. Me not like them behavior.
Babes, see what me I say, man. You know your son I go through a lot and everything. Also you go through a lot. Yeah man, just talk to you, man. You wait outside. It's okay. Your babes. Alright.
See you next time.
Puppy then.
How him, mommy?
Papi, you see somebody and I must be then come to. You coming about which man this in the daddy house. Then my behavior then alright.
Mommy, what me come in here and me see one man sit down in here. So me have to just find out my concern.
You see one man sit down in here with me though. I don't like you come in and come see my thief something or look for something for thief. You have all right, listen me now. You have all right to ask. If you see one man in here, ask her. But I don't say you go about things. I don't say you ask. You come in home by me and wish man. Don't do that again. Have respect. May your mother. And a big man fear and like a one little boy.
Get what you're saying, mommy?
This morning before you leave here, me tell you me have something I want to talk to you about, right?
Yes,
Where that me want to talk to you about? Coloring book. Me I did coloring book for a few months now. A couple months good now. I'm really read coloring book. And I might try. A 5 years now since your father passed away, you know. A 2 failed relationship with me dad. Not relationship, 2 failed dates, cause date me date them. And because of how you behave, them not stick around, you know, work out. And me understand that because your father just passed away, me understand say you hurt. But a full time now for me move on. And me feel say your father would have want me to move on. Puppy, me need my happiness too, you know. And me know your father would have love to see me happy. Your father will always be your father. Nobody can take that from you. Nobody can fill in that space.
Mommy.
Nobody can fill in your space, can't take your space there. Nor your father.
Mommy, really and truly, you're a big woman, you're my mother. And I respect and I love you. But me can't bother with no stepfather business right now. Me just a focus on my father who passed and gone. Me no have no stepfather in my life right now.
Puppy, me not ask for permission, no, me a big woman. Me need my happiness. Me just want you to be okay with it. Me just want anybody me I talk to, me want you and them to correspond. Me want you and them to have a bond. Me no want them to take your father. They can't take your father's space. Me just want you to be alright with it. Me just want you to be a consent to them, me and them then. Cause see coloring book come here now, me really like coloring book. Coloring book love me love coloring book. And we just start for 8 months now. 8 months we've been attacked for 8 months, and because of you, certain things, certain happiness where me shouldn't have with him or certain things we shouldn't do because of you, me will be a wall out.
I know, man, because I know say the two relationship them where you lose what they them, I know say and me are one of the reasons why you and them stop talk.
No one of the reason, you are the only reason because I tantrum now, you've been a true.
I know say me I give them bad faces, man, but you have to just understand. My father thing when pass that just rest by my mind right now.
Me know same person young, you know, but by the end of the day, me I gonna need my happiness as me say. Colorbo come here and you pass the place with him. So me I'll call him back in here and you introduce you to him again. And nobody pass the place this time. Because this a relationship and me now make it good on the Jane because of you again, puppy.
You rest, man.
Babe! Colorbo!
Yes, babe.
You can't come now, here. And puppy, please. Behave yourself. Coloring book. My son, puppy, coloring book.
Puppy Dan.
Big up yourself, father.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Mommy, I think me tell her this a while ago, you know, mommy. Me no want no stepfather in my life. Me can't bother no stepfather. Me just a think about my father. You know, say today day my father passed and gone. 5 years since my father gone. Everybody have for them father. Why me? Mommy, no disrespect, you know. But me a grown in my room. Me just in a one peace of mind right now. My father memorial thing just rest on my brain.
Babes, I got this. I got this here. Puppy Dan! Let me talk to you. You're a big man. You grew up. I think you're maybe 19, 20. No disrespect me, G. Me your mother talk a couple of months well, you know. Me and I want stepfather watch try if you look at stepfather role. I'm one never, if I could do it, man, never try to come in your life to be a father. Because me cannot be a father. You only can have one father. That's why stepfather named stepfather. Me can't go tell you, say me know where you go through, but me been there. Because me lose my mother. And me all on you. And when me lose my mother, me cry day and night as a big man. Me cry inside and outside. But only one thing me can tell you. You see, anything you tell me right now, if you don't want to shake me hand, you know what I mean, in your mother life, me I go did it. No care you kill ants, the antsness I go come back. And me are the antsness because me care about your mother. And when me tell you something, G, I want you to listen me good. Me love your mother and me care for your mother. Me ask you a question. You care about your mother?
Of course, I care about my mother.
You care about your father?
Of course.
Your father not there, down. So the only somebody you have are your mother and yourself, bro. You happy? So your father not there? No, you're not happy. Your mother not happy. But bro, if you can't happy right now, you can't make your mother happy by giving somebody a chance in their life, bro. You not do this to me, you do it for your mother, bro.
Coloring book. Anything where you have to say, you know, you're free to say it, you know, general. But you see, the thing right now is a whole heap of father or stepfather come in and a try to be good. And then you see when they in time they get comfortable, then turn out and be bad. So, I don't think I want to try and stepfather.
Puppy Dan, one thing I can't tell you, I nah give up. Nah give up because I care about your mother. You're right, you know. Most of them stepfather come in a youth life and wreck them life and then come in good and turn out bad. That one thing I can't tell you. Me and one of them. Me I go there Me I go there till you really give me a chance in your life and in your mother life. Now stop trying. Because me, I want to try and stepfather. Babes, now watch that man. I you them name. Just give him some chance. Give him some time. I got this, you see me?
So everything good.
Yeah man, everything good man. We just have to just go by hill somewhere. After we're up on the flat, then everything better. Love you here. Sis, what happened?
What you do?
Never know say you wake up.
Me wake up, me look around here and I don't see how me hear black a put on there, so I don't run here there. What happened?
Oh, you know say man if you come do some work and I tell him say kinda really want to finish up the place. Cause maybe mention this to you. You know so Alia kinda live with his son, the same youth name Puppy Dan.
Mm-hmm.
And you know so me live in a mommy house.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so we just want to finish up a room and that means so when me and Alia take a relationship serious, you know. She can stay over here so when she want.
Okay.
You know, so basically you also want just a female in so I don't really want to violate them space.
Mm-hmm.
So I just that me there I go and do. I pack up the things them. If you can make it easier for the workman when him forward. You see me?
Okay. I got on time, my brother. It's soon finish, you know. It's soon finish. You know what I love about you?
Yeah.
You're progressive, and that me like about you. You see
So
mindset what you have?
So mama
Mommy that proud of you.
yeah man, thanks
Yeah,
man.
man, my brother.
You know, so if you tell you honest truth, as I talk about mama, I have a little incident to show you the youth name Puppy Dan.
What
But,
that?
You know, we miss mama more while, don't
Yeah,
But
always.
it come like the same thing you I go through. Cause you know what say? 1 second there. Yeah, hello. Yeah, B. No man, me over my yard, man. I tell you what. You remember how we? Yeah, man. Yeah, me and my sister there. I remember me not tell her what you that. My sister want to meet you. I should have me bring her come meet you, but like how you say you want to come check me, just come and come right round the back. Alright, babes. Yeah, man. Love you too. Alright. Yeah.
What? Mom's a come get a check
Yeah,
already?
Say mine just run pan and come check me.
That not
But
bad.
as I say now, sister.
Mm-hmm.
The youth named Puppy Dan. I tell us I go over there yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Go check him and everything. Well, me and him mother did that talk. She not sweep out the house, me help her. She tell me say oh that school, but me insist, cause you know we are youth, your mother grow up good.
Yeah.
If help out a lady. So same time we did that talk, you know, and me I explain and tell him, cause me and him not talk about married and him thing there. You see me, I say she's not the person for us running a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Him like we go up on date, get to know a person.
Take your time.
And you know, I've married involved between the two of us. So me and him not talk about it. Me I tell him so I same way me feel.
Yeah.
So by saying that and talking that and now the youth walking, Puppy Dan. You see me, cause him just come from his father. Go check him father up at the grave and show him respect.
Memorial.
Yeah, so you know, so me head eat than them thing there.
Yes.
So I'm walking and I say, yo, mommy, I owe this. I owe this in a daddy house.
Just so?
Yeah, well in passing place, but as I say, me not take up for him, I kinda understand where him go through, how him could deal with the situation more better.
Yeah.
So same time I stand up, our mother stand up and your mother explain and I say, yo, don't pass a place with me. For you see somebody here, I must mean come to. And if anywhere go find out who this, that is not the way you go ahead and find out who is this.
Which is right.
So me tell your mother say, yo, nobody stress that man. Me wait outside.
Yes.
Me don't really know what him and your mother in that about, but your mother call me back inside and you know me I try to introduce myself and him don't answer.
You need
So you kind of
discipline.
stress out the mother. So after him walk out and now me walk him down. And me just start telling my mind, me I say, bro, no disrespect. Me not there so fi be a father or a stepfather, because me cannot be a father, only one father I have.
Yes.
And he passed away, R.I.P.
Right.
But me just there so. Fi, me just want your blessing. And me know you not going to take now, it going to take maybe a time I'm willing to wait because I love your mother. So me ask me if he care about him mother, I say, you ain't care about him mother. So me I say, me care about your mother too. And it's like a honestness. When I walk and throw water, it will come back just because I love your mother.
Yes. So I take your reasoning.
Well, he might tell me, say, right now, you know, anything I want do, but him not really up on his stepfather thing right now, you know. But to how me see it, you never try to go in your room, but because the rain fall and the door swell, the door a lock, you know.
But you not lock good.
You not lock good. So you see, soon as it fix, I just feel like I just a little bump there, in the way what stop me and the youth. To me, I don't feel like I'm bad youth. I just feel like all of this tribulation when I go through with him father.
Tension.
You
Tension.
know, the most important thing when you say, he said, most of we stepfather come in and we start off good and then we turn out to be a bad stepfather.
Yeah,
and to how him
control
feel,
things.
I'm not a good stepfather. I'm not a trained stepfather. So, I don't know what kind of advice you have to give me.
I saw him feel, but you not get to really know you yet.
Yeah.
If you have to go open up now and give you a chance now where you can get to know your personality and know more about you. Because really and truly, you probably have some friend where have some bad experience with some stepfather business. You know, they're like a young teenager, you sit down and reason.
Right.
And they say things sometimes and they don't really understand what they must say, my brother.
Because
I
as
know,
peers,
sir.
they sit down and then talk amongst them one another. And how them talk and reason with them one another, they don't really understand life on a
Yeah.
whole.
And you know, so as I talk.
Well, you know, so sometime when a person ride a bike,
Mm-hmm.
you understand? Me must have learn them learn to ride the bike, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they drop, sometimes they fall. You know, so I see same thing what the youth I go through right now, like the band me and him a try to pull. You know, so me also I hear my mother say, "Oh babes, come in now. Come in, baby."
Go on.
What?
Where go on? You name my way, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, Chelsea, she are the queen of me always a talk about. And
Nice to
Alia,
meet you.
my
Nice to meet
sister,
you.
Chelsea. You go to me and say,
My
Chelsea,
sister
that
talk
sister
about
we
you.
always a talk about.
always a talk about.
You
The
would
one
have
and
ring off
only.
me as well with the one
Yeah,
and
man,
only
me and
sister.
my brother sit down and reason now we talk about you too.
Well,
Well,
I'm glad I banded already.
yeah,
So
me
me
happy
nah
so
fi-
we get to meet
me
her.
heart a beat. Me glad I banded already. You know, like you know one another. You see
Yeah.
me, but as me not say to all team youth
Mm-hmm.
and you know him baby father drop out and everything.
Yeah.
You go to me and say,
Get what you say, my brother. Alia,
And
you know, say a long time me and my brother dey talk about you. And to a reason about you. Honestly, me happy say me get to know you sooner rather than later. Cause
know,
my brother
man.
get excited when he talk about you, you know.
Oh yeah, and your brother there tell me say it no lose no mother.
Yeah, man.
I'm so sorry for hear that. Me know
yeah,
how
man,
you
thank you,
feel.
babes.
Know
Thank
how
you.
you feel.
For real, cause even with your son, he must show me one little reasoning. And me have to try to encourage him because he love you. You
Yeah, me
understand? And when
know.
I grow an adult and with him in a middle, you have to just try to see how best you can
Yeah,
make him
cause youth are
comfortable.
youth. You know, we have to just put yourself in our shoes with him, you know, and see what him go through. We can't just judge him with all of him. I say,
Yeah,
you go to
man.
me and say,
Anger sometimes make teenagers react.
Yeah, me
So
know,
as a
man.
parent, you have to know, say, and as a co-parent, know my brother, you have to go try to find somewhere to get through to him so he can reason with you, man to man.
sis, 1 second. You know, so me make a cup of tea. Me I go check if me lock off the stove. You know, just
Yeah,
A good
man.
man.
yourself.
Man,
A good my
Two
brother.
queen.
A good man. Go on and forward.
him love tea, yeah, man.
Alia, that's how your whole family stay.
I say, as me I say, me know say, my son kind of throw some little tantrum for that, you know, but me love how your brother cope with it. Your brother just, me don't know if you say
He
that
can't
word
do it,
there,
man.
what me I look for the daddy.
He can't do it because he talk to me about it, you know. I mean, encourage him. I say, my brother, me know say it's not go easy for you because as somebody involved in your life now. You understand? And upon a level there's a teen involved. And remember say, growing up, sometime we not get to spend much time with one loved one or one parent because them pass off at an early age.
Me know,
So him
man.
have stuff buckle up inside where him don't know if he can trust nobody and not meet nobody yet when he can get through to talk about it. So it's like all my brother now. Me know say just little time
Yeah,
he
man.
want for my brother get to know him and can sit down and reason with him and I'll see if he no behave better.
Me know say time he want and I give him time because me now make him slide me sorry.
You're not supposed to. As a mother, you have to turn up chunk on your foot, you know, because when you reach this age, them prim and proper.
Me
So you
know,
have to
man.
brace yourself for just about anything. But my brother,
Yes, yes.
my nice, clean brother.
Yeah, man,
Me
I'm glad
glad
that
to
you like
meet.
her, man. You see me?
Glad to meet your
Yeah,
your
man.
spouse,
Yeah, my wife to be.
your other half, your wife to
Yeah,
be,
you see me?
whatever.
You know, some mama want proud.
I'm
Yeah,
more than
mama want
proud.
proud, man. You see
I know
me?
much, we don't want to know.
Yeah, man.
But I want thing me tell you before me go, because I go
Yes,
inside, go
yes.
finish what me I do. More if you stand up on your foot for that young man, they don't give up on him.
You nah give up, man. Not only
More give a
because
little
I'm mother,
attitude.
but me see where I'm go through, I kind of
Man.
understand. So me nah give up.
You must give attitude and you must try to push away, but
That good,
you have to
man.
stand firm, my brother.
You used to it, man.
Yeah?
Yes,
And what you did it for my brother as a woman, you know it thing
Always,
already.
always.
Stand firm for him because he wanted it for you, know. Not just for you, but for your son. Because when you take a picture for your love the cow, you have to love the calf, not true? Alright, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Me I go on the front. Nice to meet you.
Alright,
Me see you
nice
again,
meet
yeah?
Alright.
Alright, no worry yourself. Me have a reason. No worry yourself, my brother. Woman a woman, man a man.
So I'm gonna be alone and get no hug. Alright, sister. Love you. Love you.
Later.
Just glad to say you and my sister get along.
Me know, I'm
And it's
glad
like
to
how you
man.
feel comfortable. Me I promise you this. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but me know me and son get along. You see
Yeah,
me?
me know, we just have a game time, isn't me?
The way you look so. Like you're stressed over something.
You know, so brother called me on the issue.
What I'm telling you now.
My son man with the bike and no license and insurance. If we get piece of money for the license and insurance, but you know, come through it and And I actually Rumble in the top see me
Hold
and
on, Rumble here,
stress me.
traffic police.
Yes.
You want Titus role.
Mm-hmm.
So babes, you have to tell me say from you buy bike in our license insure.
No, you know, license not insured. I remember such a situation with him father and he not really a work like that. And then I grandmother normally sending money, but she not sending money yet.
Alright.
So that type
You what me I
problem.
say? You what me I say? You see how me look upon you now, me will go bash him. Cause when me young, them thing they reach me I ride bike when a license insure. But now me grow up, me understand. But you see Rumble and Titus,
They not ram.
they not and them a do their job.
I know, man.
So me no know, me just go do something. Cause me no want you stress and me no want nothing do him. Cause if nothing do him, yeah go
Me and
stress.
say, me I tell you again for one your son, you know, and me I say.
Alright. That means you have to respect you, I respect you. But you are going. Let me see, last time when my friend like saw a bike last week, I think maybe 140 something thousand can't do it.
Maybe I supposed to sign this,
Babes,
you know.
stop stress no man. Stop stress. Matter of fact. Making go deal you right away. But look here. You have to say yes. You understand?
You know, say me not, that
Babes,
would look good, man.
it not gonna look good, it gonna look beautiful if you know say me a help out my wife to be. So what you tell me say if me now want spot, you
Me
not
not
help.
obsess about
Well,
but-
no, say you answer me. You answer me. But only one thing more you promise me. Please. Don't tell him say, I'm me. Give you forgive him. And you are give him this. The reason why, babes, me don't want to look like me a buy a relationship. More earn it. You see me? Stop fret now, man. I love you, man. Here. Listen. Me I go come over in a bit. Me not sure, but just let me know if everything good. The time may be gone already. You see me? So me know if him can go deal with it today, but urgent. You see me? It's something like when you smile, when you're happy, me happy.
No,
Alright,
man.
look more here.
Yeah, me call you.
Alright, love you.
Yeah, love you. Watch out. I was
gone.
one time, brother-in-law.
You say me there do you good?
Yeah, man, good man, just, you know, I think
Long
so.
time me no see you know.
So I come on, me just a kind of stay in the house and I really have no big reason to come out.
True. Better stay nowadays than for the on the road car. No what a road still you know.
You know, say, me have something more to talk to you about Father Day. Mother want you to talk to you and live for me. Because it was a situation with his father, he really not cope with you. You know.
Boy. Tired to talk to him, you know.
Me,
Tired. Remember saying only father that you know. People don't get two father nor three father, you know. One father you get, you know.
no.
And my brother too, you know. Me have to live with that, you know. For life, you know, forever, you know. So you have to live with it too, you know. Even what you he go so bum and buy a bike. And right now, if you license, cause police are lick man hard off a bike nowadays, you know. Worse when you no license, you know. Cause when a bike no license, you know, and you see police jeep, you have to run from them, you know.
Me
And you're
know,
not afraid to drive, you don't know, lick you off of that, you know.
Me
Talk.
no, man.
In kinda they go through some phrase right now way.
Me know say bike for life now so off, you know. Because me get piece of money when me I go just go so rake. And me have one boyfriend who me dey talk to for a while now and he kind of see stress on my face.
Yeah.
And he ask me and me tell him I want him give me money and I deal with him, man. But before me do that, me hear them say something about fitness and all. I want fitness.
Fitness on the bike. And you have to license fit.
You
And
something
insure.
good on the first, go find out how I go, and then I go back up and deal with it. And
Oh.
make him deal with it.
So where you go? You're making license in the bike.
Yeah, I want to do that.
If you can't do that, you do it for him, please. Cause me did forget the money what you know, and it never come true. Me did well want to come true, so me could have get it to surprise him for him go license in bike.
Oh,
Cause me no want nothing happen to him, you know.
no,
And me
man.
never, and me love him. Even what you me and my raise, you know. Before we get to that point there, you know, me hear you all say something about your boy, you have a man now. Well, look, we help you out. I appreciate that and I love how you have a man, you know, cause even though you did me one time, sister-in-law, me love how you find somebody who can did it for you and look out for you. Everybody deserve a chance in life. But back to this now. What do you? Me and Puppy done a reason, because we go over the cemetery and go look for him father, which is my brother. You know that too, so I don't have to tell her. And he must say, yo, he miss him father, you know. But you have to just give him some time. Give him more time, because me even did a counseling, you know. Because remember say, he no grow without a father, you know, he grow without a father.
You know, man.
Even though he miss him father, which is my brother.
You keep on saying it like me don't know that.
I say, go, man, I just threw my head no there, so it kind of rest on my brain. Because I remember say I'm more than 5 years now, you know. It dey go over more than 5 years now, you know. So I miss my brother. And he have to miss his father, because there is no other way he can get back a father like that father.
No,
And he
no,
might tell
daddy.
me, say, you did 2 months since his father drop out. And
Me try,
it
man.
never work out, because him and them can't get along. None tall. They can't get along. But me get to find out, say, in our relationship now, I mean, hope and pray, say, Puppy done, and that the relationship there with that the nigga there, whosoever you're in a relationship with, get along. To hear how me hear her talk, saying if I'll give you money for the Puppy done for license bike. And you just did that talk about him. Like, you know, say that youth there, even though I don't know him as it, but it sound like him is a trying stepfather.
Yeah, man, in my try, because every money when give me, he tell me, say, me don't have to make Puppy that know, say, him give me it for give him. Because you know, want he sound like he might buy a motel. No, he might buy a relationship or him. You understand what I mean? He might try, he want work for Puppy and trust him, you know?
You know what me feel say? I feel say if you make Puppy done, no say, I him give you the money.
No, He tell me not to say it, so I'm not going to say it. So I give Puppy that. Him know how to work it out with Puppy that. Because other day, me and Puppy that now like argument. And he said, I not work myself and buy me look at him and go talk to Puppy that. Come to think of it. You know, some feel some tell Puppy that say him give me for true.
You have to tell him, man.
Thanks for the advice. A good idea.
You have to tell him, man.
You
Cause
gotta tell him.
the reason why I tell you to tell him, because that even will make him look up to his stepfather more if you say, yo, he really I do this.
Me I gotta tell him,
It's
man.
a flavor that, you know. So
Alright.
you have to tell him, man.
Yeah, me I go on the road and I go start out to sit about the fitness and me not really know nothing about bike, because I don't want him for no bike, but I'm my son.
Alright, do that.
And a big man, I know. You know how that go.
Alright, me I go over there and go give him a reason, you know.
Yeah, man, come on.
Boy, my brother, even though you're not there, you know, I miss you, you know, but I dead left for kudo, man.
Where you say I go on now first class? You know, say a day I'm there do father, I go and put in to work pan dialing, I go and random, you know, cause I tell you say you leave no money from that if you get 2 leads. Where you say I go on? Your chain. You know say last month me dash you for me chain do you to me go to Africa and go get. Cause me I tell you say from me buy bike you, me I tell you say me even see nothing else you, cause me even no money for license, you know. Right now, I'm there try see me can chop a line for get a money for go license your bike out. Because my mother not stop warn me. Yo, bad bro, hold on there. Give me a minute. Me so call you back. One client me that call a ring me back. So give me a minute here. Me so link you back. Hello, Miss Jenkins? Yes, you're speaking with Mr. Howell. Yes, and I'm calling you from the publisher's clearinghouse, okay? Yes, so as I was saying to you, that you have won $1.5 million, okay? Girl, and listen to me, I say. Me say you win $1.5 million. Yes. So as I was saying now, all you have to do is get yourself a clean sheet of paper and a writing pen, okay? So I can provide you with your winner's information. Okay, so first, you're going to write down the company which you have won this from, which is the Publishers Clearinghouse. You're going to have down the PCH, which is the initial, okay? What? You honey? No, listen. Let we talk about the money first, then after I will help you about that. Alright, so as I said, you're gonna write down the price, what you have win, which is $1.5 million.
Me nephew,
Okay.
and a scam, you a scam.
Give me a minute. My manager is here. I'll call you back, please.
And a scam, you a scam.
No, uncle, man, I don't know scam, man, I nothing like that, me I do. I want a white woman and me meet on the beach, and me that talk to her about she find out my age, and she say me too young, so she adapt me, and she buy me bike. So me I try talk to her to get her money for life, now insure it.
So, puppy, me nephew, a jigaloo you turn you now.
No, uncle, you hear me say she adapt me, man, cause she me young, nothing like that,
Look
man.
like you all a try relax.
Uncle, me hear you say look like me a gigolo. Look, you see here in my teeth? Me not do them this up with the uncle, me not gigolo, man.
No,
I tell
make
you say
sure
a
you
white
not do them
man.
there something there, no.
No
Make
say
sure.
man. No say man.
But I come for raise you with you. As a uncle to nephew.
Would
Your
one
mother.
uncle?
Puppy, you have to understand, you know, puppy. Me talk to you over cemetery, what do you know? You have to understand, say, me tell you already, you know, give people chance in your life and your mother life, bro.
Uncle, hold on, as I talk about that, I'm a mother boyfriend what she a try if he claims I'm a stepfather you talk about.
Step by step. But I hear me a talk
But
about.
hold on, uncle. So mommy never tell us say him bring in money in my father house. I make man a come talk to me certain way in my father house. And I like how to doing talk to me and uncle in my father house. Mommy
Puppy,
not tell you.
look how long your mother they hold out for. You have to accept that. Say, you must, you know, think say your mother need a man now.
Never said that to no uncle. But by any idea, me no know, I know me just can't get over it thing where my father passed. I just that upon my mind. Nah, me it's born on stepfather now.
Puppy, you have to accept life and accept the facts that your father not there here no more. So you have to respect your mother because your mother respect you. You see the house now. Accept that. Say, yo, I'm not for your father anymore because your father gone, you know. So you have to respect whosoever your mother want to bring come in the house, puppy. Understand life. Say like how your mother have respect for you, know. As someone to have it for her, you know. You can't tell her who for bring come in your house, you know. Your mother been a whole up for much years now. How long now your father dead?
5 years, I got 6.
5 I got 6. I mean know your mother hold up for about 3 to 4 years. Out of 5 where I go to 6. You have to humble you out. Me ask you a question. You miss your father though?
Your uncle.
Same way how you feel, I saw me feel because I see it upon you, bro. And me go tell you how me get over it, bro. Take your father from up your son, put down your son. Because you see, if you up your son, you go to think about it, bro. You go drain you, bro. Make you go lose focus and not get no sleep when night come, bro. Look upon you. You're just 19, soon 20. And look, you look like you look older than even your father who did 5 years ago. Me never, I know this me or this you. But it is stress you that a drain you. It bring you down, me never. And you see, your stepfather want to give him respect. Want to respect him down to the ground where you walk on. Because I see your mother not too long, you know. How your mother talk, she make you look like him is a trying stepfather.
Uncle, no disrespect, you know. But me not give him no ratings, you know. I have to earn that, you know.
But, puppy, how am I going to earn it if you not give your mother a chance or give him a chance? He can't earn it without you not giving them a chance. Because you not, to how me see it, you come like you not give man no chance, nor your mother.
Hear what you say, uncle.
Puppy, come like say a whole space in your room, in your mother place. For your father. Your father not come back, you know. Him not take that phone to your head, bro. Because it's a drain, you dog.
Get what you say, uncle.
You have to understand, bro. You're young still. You so understand. Me did young like you too, you know. Me did young like you, bro. Understand the ball game. Drape up yourself, bro.
Alright, uncle. Hold on, the uncle. Me why to man adapt me a call me back.
Alright, we'll link.
Right.
Me nephew, make sure you not put no ear in your teeth, you know. Even though adapt, you get adapt from the white man, you know. Make sure so none of them not put no ear in your teeth.
No,
You know.
uncle, nothing like that,
You
man.
catch
What
none.
channel, man? Hello? Yes, as I was saying, you got to write down the money that you have received, which is $1.5 million, okay? Yeah, so let me know when you have that written down. Yes! Money sound like in process. Life in my bike now. Rumbelly sick of me in I turn for one wheel. Vroom, vroom. Hello? Okay, ma'am. Have yourself a wonderful day, okay? Okay, bye.
How you what I do?
How go on, mommy?
Me there no happen.
There, I want to call me the depend on my bridging them first class. I will read to me and him.
Oh. Yeah, come on, Wrld. You know, say, me need to talk to you about that bike they do. Belly and where next one name again?
Titus.
Yes, there's men that want me against him for one, my son about the bike. They will give you one last chance. If they see upon you again, they will take your bike and lock up your backside.
You see me in the town and him tap me the other day. But show me no bike
He see you in the town and he will tap you. And you're not tap. That's why I see me and talk to me and tell me say he might tap you and you run for him other day. Where you run for him for?
Mommy, me tap me take him out, take his bike, bike no license.
Anyway, enough for that. And whenever I feel like, you know, I really promise you say I fit get piece of money, but me not get through. So through me there, I'm stressed out and so I'm going to my boyfriend and meet his sister-in-law, and she's such a beautiful and nice girl. Nice him, I tell him. Me and they talk and after, me and his sister don't talk now, me and him are reason he feel just on my face and me I tell him I want. Then say, bike for license and he give me a piece of money and say, me fi give you for license bike, but me no fi tell you.
What you saying do a while ago? Give a piece of money?
He give me as much money so you can license and insure and put on fitness and all that on the bike.
That's a coloring book you talk about where your boyfriend?
Yes.
But come over your other day and me ask her what am I doing?
Yes.
Allah ya tell.
Yeah, it's same coloring book will come over your other day with your rank with. He give me money and say, me no fi tell us say him give me it for give you. Because he don't want to look like him a buy your friendship, he want earn you want earn.
Mommy, you know, it's really and truly. Uncle just left from over here a while ago. And uncle talk to me. And some things the uncle say, you know, are true him a talk, you know.
That's true. I know you realize it's true. I understand say you miss your father, you know, but by the end of the day, me I feel happy. And if you're not happy, how me I go happy? If you're not happy with my relationship.
Mommy, you really love him?
Of course, me love him. I really love him.
You know what thing, mommy? My sister in love you too, you know. You get to understand, say, I want shine stepfather, you know.
He's more than a child right now, you know. Because if a man take up a woman with a son, you know, that's a lot about the man now.
And you know what I realize too, mommy? You see, other day when I pass my place with him, when I come in and I say, oh, the man there in the house, and you introduce him to me and me not introduce but myself. You see how he walk off and how he approach me. I get to understand, say, I really love you. I say, I want shine stepfather.
Anyway, see money here. But license bike. If I not today, or tomorrow, just make sure you license it. My head a pain me right now, me I go lie down.
Yes, mommy, thank you. And thanks to him, I can go license bike and out.
You see, you happy, and me not happy. Me head a hurt me puppy, me I go lie down.
Father God, no if I tell you the truth though. Me I go work but this money anytime a white woman send me money. I make my mother give back. Him boyfriend. I can't see the man there want train stepfather still, you know. No license bike still. Thank you God.
Long time man I suffer. I try if you come from out of the gutter.
Uncle,
Life never. I go on.
what me know say you turn artist?
Long time.
Where are you lady?
Them there you know boy want go down on the road a car. You know say producer Davidan. After my voice me song over in yard. He man have his song through his sister song go viral on TikTok. He man now want put out his song. What kind of style that?
Boy, uncle, the song they sound like a hit. You need to release it.
Yeah, bro.
But you know, say, though, uncle, right now, we tell you the truth, though. You know, say, bike license not insure.
Yeah. And your mother gave money, not true?
Yeah, my mother give me, say,
She did tell
him
me.
boyfriend say, forgive me.
She did tell me. You know, say, me did have a surprise you. But I just true, you see, man, if you give me money, so me can surprise you with if you license, him catch strokes and dead. So me never get to reach out back to him and call through him dead. So me couldn't get him money because him family member then war over that the money they for license bike.
Oh,
So boy, me I say you're salting everywhere, dog. You lose your father. I know you're losing money with you license your bike.
But you know, say, uncle, right now, over my mother boyfriend, you had me a go now. Because you can't believe it's the last night my mother gone over there. And mama did even call me and tell me say she go sleep over there. And me did there worry if I nothing do him. I thought I go talk to him boyfriend right now and I talk to mommy over there. You know?
Then puppy dan. You can't give your mother some space, some breathing space. Remember say your mother a big woman, you know. You as a child, bro. You just turned 19, you know. You live for your mother like a tick. So if you come off, bro.
But she don't link me. I mean I like that. Me I go over there right now. Go deal with this.
Puppy dan, make sure you don't go over there, go disrespect your stepfather, you know, or your mother, you know. And me tell her that, you know, me know you know, puppy.
Uncle, just listen to me, uncle. Me got this. Me have this. Me I go talk to him and me I go talk to mommy. Later.
Puppy dan need to relax, you know. And calm, because you see that the temper there and that the tone of voice there. Me know him a go over there, go do something, brother. If you understand, said his stepfather is a trying stepfather.
Come down, man. Take so long for you answer one message. Sure.
Texting.
Brother, what happened?
What go on?
Look for the time. And you smile on your face, bright, shine like the sun out the door. My brother, you know, come out early this morning, you know. What go on for you?
Talk up your foot on your brother, make
Wait, they put up the door there. Go on, what?
Well, are you so happy?
Me never happy while I'm gonna come here. Me I try to get you to sit, but me I'll talk to you about it. Wait first. Let me do for your business first. Me come about you this morning. You see, I'm big old smile. A long time I don't see you so come on so you know.
Well, me just happy, you know. Like thing no reach or I want it to reach it, but as we say,
little bit until
one step at a time. So you know. But the greatest thing we are try and we see result. You understand? And that's the greatest thing.
Oh, I bright smile on your face, but I'm so happy still. I really wake up happy this morning.
So how you get up so early? Naturally when you get up so early you can't sleep and something wrong, you know. So what's the problem? What's the matter?
You can't sleep.
Why
I have a nerves breakdown, my brother. I got a nerves breakdown. We meet one man and
Jesus
like him.
Christ. Because I know you have to tell me you meet somebody.
I like him, but I drag foot a little bit. Because I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump to conclusion too quick.
But you say you deal with ketchup and you deal with pepper.
Pepper no. Pepper too
the
quick.
sauce
You want the sauce come down to gravy first.
But sis,
then I put the pepper on it.
You know life one way. Like, we go through so much together from here so coming up here. Like brother and sister, we lose our mother, we go through that. You know, love your mommy, you know, and now you go to your last relationship and it hurt you a lot. Me, I the same thing, and me there build back some foundation with steel and cement with the person who I love, and now you are telling me, your brother say you find somebody where you talk to, and I can see the blushing and everything on your face like you really enjoy. Yo, see, so nobody not date again?
Dating no night, a spirit take them people.
No, me like when you like somebody and your spirit take him, you know, when you go up and date and them thing. Not that you do right now, because you tell me so not date or something.
Yeah, we correspond, but when you start with the outing.
You know, that me I say, sis, them are girl nowadays and man nowadays. Remember, you know, when I youth like a girl, you know, today, you know, tomorrow in bend him over, you know. You understand?
So
back down in our days when me like a girl with date, me get to know what color I'm like, me get to know where mother name where he come from, you know, school he used to go.
Yes.
You get what me I say? So, you know, I'm kind of proud of you as my sister still, I swear to God.
Brother, take your time and do it.
Yeah, I'm really proud of myself.
So my brother, how about going to come out so late this morning?
Well, to be honest, you know, say, Well, me never see you last night. So when me there now, me take the black room, and if you forward, you want to take the front room. So in the black room, you know, me just lay some black, you know, I dig some foundation in the middle.
You don't say.
I didn't say.
You put stone in it.
But I'm saying right now, you know, mama over there, you know, on the road.
I feel saying they try to soak your oats. Yeah, try to soak oats.
Well, I want to tell us a raw dog, I'm trying to get it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like when I look a boy or I look a girl, if you run up and down in the yard, I call you auntie.
Ready?
Well, time will tell. But she the inside, so that's why I wake up so happy. Well happy.
Busier than busy signal.
Busy signal now have nothing over me.
That's
Only
a
the
code.
name in have over me.
That's a code, my brother.
Me busy last night, my sister.
You're busy only part of the night. You think I
So
have a
you would
machine
up and
there, I
night,
have to go
no
put
idea.
in work, you know. You know, so me I go down the road, me I go try to get some minutes to my phone. Me not want love conversation and my data go expire, I go buy credit.
So now yesterday go buy minutes so that a data that move hot.
Phone line hot me a telephone operating business, my brother. Just
Let me tell you something. Did you sell or Flow or any social media platforms, they have to go give a promotion because you're busy. I'm so busy.
I know this.
Alright, look more, take care.
Yes, Mr.
Alright,
Bob.
yeah man.
Babes.
Wagwan.
Morning.
Come on, you get a good sleep, baby.
Yeah, me sleep good, but me just sleep last night and then me call my son and tell him say me not come over.
When you want me to call people down and tell them say nah come over.
Me not come here.
And you know, so my sister in there talk, she all tell me good news, say book somebody when I talk to. She gone down in her town, say I'm going to buy a credit to put on plan for your phone to call him. Somebody when I talk to.
I mean, yes, we get on brother-in-law then, man.
Well, if I brother-in-law, you know, but babes, on a serious level, you ain't get to talk to your son, because really and truly, you know, I really want to marry you, you know.
Me did talk to him, you know, but I don't know,
Babes,
honestly.
whether feel permission grant or not grant, or if fit or not fit.
Mommy.
No.
Imagine say last night you know you not come over here and you not call me none at all.
Well, and you come pass the place with me. And me have you or you have me? Or which one? Which one? Me have you or you have me?
Babes.
Me have to tell you when me are coming for when me not come
Mommy.
in.
Afternoon, sorry.
Babes,
Afternoon.
hold on the
Want
babes.
to talk to
Babes.
you.
Make him talk in mind. Because just like how you talk your mind from what you, me want to talk my mind too. So talk your mind.
Mommy, want to talk to you about something.
Talk, me I hear you.
Alright. You see, my stepfather, what you claim say my stepfather, from other day, mommy, me a pass my place with you, my stepfather, my uncle. Tibia talk to me from other day and some things that Tibia talk to me and I tell me, my sister me really wrong. And the first time when you introduce me to my stepfather and then me a be a certain way and I react because my father that has stressed me out and everything and me being disrespectful to all of you. I'm really sorry about that because mommy, a full time now, you deserve to have a man in your life. So I'm really sorry mommy about how I deal with all of this. And just always know so I love you.
Alright, my son. My son, I pray.
Coloring book. I'm really sorry for how the first time I see you, I deal with you and pass my place. And mommy tell me, say, you give me the money for life to the bike. Although you tell her, say, if you not tell me, but mommy tell you. So I come over here now, make you know, say, I go deal with this one, I call on my bridge, I get a link for deal with it, and it happen. So, respect.
Your life not insured.
Your life not insured. I say I want shine stepfather. So sorry about how me deal with it and pass my place. I'm sorry about that.
Take a man, do what you just do. And every man can apologize. And that I first really appreciate what you say and what you do. And really and truly, I need to feel no way about that. You get what I say? Thank you again, my father.
Yeah man, so hold on. So married mommy no? Me hear you say you're married mommy. Me over here first time when you come over here the mommy introduce me. Hear you say you're married mommy. Married her, yeah?
Yo.
You want shine stepfather man.
Holy Paris for my father man, you see me? Babes. I mean I do this still enough. And it's a privilege and a pleasure.
Mommy, you
Right,
see you
no.
want married you? Say yes, mommy, say yes.
Babe,
Say yes, mommy.
will you marry me, please?
Of course. Yes, of course.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching Trying Stepfather. You understand? So from the reach is far and no end. You know, sit down and watch the movie to the end. So enough respect to you guys for always supporting True World TV. And as we tell you now, we always there upon your work. I put out the best food and a flimmy movie them food. So now just stay tuned to the channel. Because we have whole heap more hit movie of ours. So now just stay tuned to the channel. So people, I want to big up a few people. I want to big up Biggs from Black Godfather TPM. I want to big up Dian from Black Godfather TPM also. And big up Joe same way from Black Godfather TPM. The whole on over side. One puppet and a big up the whole on over side. Sheffield side. You understand? Chelsea. Which side they want to come big up? Big up Little London, Nampel, Savlama, Grangeville.
You don't know, you know. A badness, I say badness set. I want Chelsea 87 upon the app. And don't know, so I want to make a big shout out to all our supporters them. True World TV, Colour Book TV. We know say Davy HD and Tugger round this one place, one part. I mean, I big up my husband, Jamie Fox, the Fox International, one of the biggest selector upon the ground. My daughter Alia, my mother Monica, all of my fans them from the Grangeville side, Hanover, for the entire nation, across the globe. Big respect. Yes, always remember, subscribe, leave a comment, remember the notification bell, always, and I hit that.
Show. No disrespect. I want to big up one of my fans from Western, Sea Star Lane, Ada Darling, big up yourself. Your husband tell me if you bless up your because you're one of the loyal fans and want to support you over here. So big up the whole of Western, Whitehall, Red Ground, Sheffield, Orange Hill, Beach Road, Monterey, the whole
place, Lucy, Bobby, Town, you know where I go.
One go.